In this video, I will demonstrate how to read a CSV file that does not contain column headers. As you can see, the Excel file lacks column names. First, I open Jupyter Notebook. If you are using a different notebook environment, you can proceed with that instead. I begin by importing the Pandas library to read the CSV file. Then, I assign the dataset to a variable and load it using Pandas. By default, Pandas assumes the first row contains column names, which may lead to incorrect formatting. To prevent this, we use header equals none while reading the file. Running the code with this parameter ensures that Pandas assigns numerical column indices instead. If you want to specify custom column names, you can use the name sadface column1, column2 parameter while reading the file. After executing the code, you will see the correctly formatted dataset with the specified column names. Here is the final output.